As we celebrate another milestone in the vibrant sporting tradition of Northern Samar, we take immense pride in the success of the 2025-2026 Northern Samar Provincial Athletic Association meet. This event stands as a living testimony of unity, discipline, resilience, and shared commitment, anchored on our theme, Northern Eagles, rising as one, soaring beyond. Our heartfelt gratitude goes to all our local chief executives, honored guests, and especially to Honorable Governor Harris Christopher Ongchuan and the members of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan for their support and continued faith in the potential of our athletes, together with the members of the Provincial School Board. Let us always remember that the welfare of our children is the true measure of our success. Every stride, every game, and every victory becomes more meaningful when guided by love, teamwork, and integrity. Together, we raise champions not only in sports but in life. Young Nortihanons, our young boys and girls who play with heart and strive with purpose. Sports is more than a pursuit of victory. Kaya nasugad ako sa iyo kanina, importante ang disiplina. Pag may disiplina ka, atleta, may da ka, sinusugad niya, kaandaman, paghatag sa nimo oras, pagsakripisyo, bisan kung may da kita, mga diktoy o dagko man nga mga concerns, sini nga aton palaro. It is a platform for building character, discipline, and resilience. To our athletes and coaches, embrace every match with humility, courage, and faith. Compete fairly, persevere through challenges, and uphold the values of sportsmanship and respect. True victory lies not only in medals, but in the lessons learned and the strength gained from every experience. Aligned with the revised K-12 curriculum, this provincial meet affirms our commitment to the holistic development of learners, fostering camaraderie, determination, and lifelong wellness through sports. Success, as we know, has no shortcuts. Pamati mga kabataan, waray nagdadaog san paisan-isan through shortcuts and mga dinagmit and waray pag-iinsayo. Challenges and defeats are part of the journey, but a true champion rises each time with renewed faith and determination. With steadfast willpower and teamwork, we can conquer any challenge that comes our way. Our shared vision remains clear: to uphold Northern Samar's standing as a top-performing division in the Eastern Visayas Regional Athletic Association meet and to bring honor to our province in the Palarong Pambansa. Guided by the spirit of the Northern Eagle, we shall continue to soar higher together, united in passion, purpose, and pride. From the school-level competitions to this provincial meet, I commend every athlete, coach, official, and supporter for your dedication and perseverance, especially your parents. Let the same energy and commitment propel us toward even greater triumphs. As your school's division superintendent, I reaffirm my commitment to supporting programs that enhance skills, strengthen character, and ensure that every learner's potential is nurtured with excellence and compassion. Finally, to all competitors, take to heart the word I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Compete with faith, humility, and confidence. Let your preparation, discipline, and courage carry you toward victory in the Evra Amit 2026. Together, let us rise as one and soar beyond, always for the glory of God and the welfare of our children. By the authority vested upon me by Honorable Sani Angara, the Secretary of the Department of Education, I now formally declare the 2025 Northern Samar Provincial Athletic Association meet open. Good afternoon.
Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Gaudencio C. Alibi Jr. for your inspiring message to all of the athletes and the people that are here for the NSPA Meet 2025. It is official. The Northern Samar Provincial Athletic Association Meet